Cookie 101 featuring T-Smoke. Hee hee ha ha. Today for lunch I'm cooking some tuna melts, but my version with avocado and other things. First you add the tuna. Beep. Come on. Oh, there we go. Yeah, mix it up. Just stir. You're getting sleepy. All right. Now next is the avocado. Okay. Now, after that, we gotta cut them up. I got T-Smoker here over cutting them up right now. Sliced up, slice and dice. There you go, babe. Add them in the tuna. Mix it in. Add some salt on there, sea salt. Yeah. Alright, add some pepper. Wow. You know that T-Smoke? You got some butter, mixed garlic, and what?
Tomatoes. I'm gonna saute these ones.
Ding, tomatoes. Alright, so you got it all sauteed up and looking all delicious. Cause I don't like tomatoes, but these gonna taste delicious. T-Smoke over here cutting some cheese. Little nasty ass. For real, he cutting cheese. Delicious. Gonna put it on the bread. I'm cooking more tomatoes. Put some more butter and minced garlic on the skillet. And I'm adding spinach to that mother. Bow! Making a little cheese mix with some feta, some parmesan, mozzarella, and the other cheese you just seen right here. Drop it. For me, I'm over here in the mix making these freaking spinach wilt up. Bow. Oh yeah, bro. Got cheese, tuna, tomatoes, spinach, all in layers. Oh my God. The bro making another sandwich over here. I'm gonna put this bread sandwich over here on the skillet. Let it, simmer a little. Flip them mofos up. Oh man, it'll be good. Alright, now after that, put them right here. Oh, I'm gonna put some jalapenos on some of them. Shh, don't say nothing. Oh shit. Oh yeah. Tell me how that tastes, T-Smoke.
So good.
This nigga eating a fucking ramen burrito again. Like what even? It's like